Rabbi Hershele, author of Ktzos HaChoshen, was a great and pious Jewish scholar, but was also known as an opponent of the Hasidic movement. He once met Rabbi Hershele of Ziditchov, the author of a Teres Tzvi, and he asked Rebbe Hershele of Ziditchov, "What does Hasidism bring to Judaism that we didn't have before? Didn't Kabbalists like Rebbe Shimon Bar Yochai and the Hershele already teach us about God?" Rebbe Hershele smiled and shared a parable. Once, an explorer returned from a distant island and spoke of a rare, beautiful bird. Decades later, another explorer, an ornithologist, wrote a detailed book about the bird. Then came a third explorer. He didn't just describe the bird. He brought it to the people, so they could see, touch, and feel it. The first one, who told people about the bird, this was Rebbe Shimon Bar Yochai. His Zohar revealed glimpses of heaven's mysteries to the world. The second person, the ornithologist who wrote a detailed book about the bird. This was the Arizal, whose Kabbalah gave us a deep, scholarly and encyclopedic map of the divine. Then came the third one, the Baal Shem Tov. He didn't just describe the Almighty. He brought him to the people, so they could see, touch, and feel God's presence in their lives. When the Ktzos heard this, he said, "Get me out of here before I become Hasidic."
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio in the Malach.